Here's a 2011 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream, it's a CR-V. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, AM/FM XM satellite radio, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, 3 12-volt power outlets, and automatic transmission. Consumer Guide explained that lots of standard safety and convenience features and Honda's reputation for reliability and resale value further bolster its appeal and cement its reputation as a good buy in this class. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.